Organizations are transforming the way that they work by looking to increase agility as they scale. Jira Software is the #1 agile tool, helping teams deliver better outcomes and streamline complex processes. But as you know, transformation is not easy. As more of your teams depend on Jira to get their work done, it becomes essential to build a solid foundation. Is your infrastructure set up to support your team's needs for years to come? Take the next step by powering your enterprise with Jira Software Data Center. Data Center is our self-managed enterprise product line, and it's designed to help scale your mission-critical Atlassian applications. There's 3 main things to know about Jira Software Data Center, and the first is that it lays a solid foundation throughout your agile transformation. Data Center supports the greatest amount of users, issues, projects, and workflows. So as more of your teams are adopting agile practices, you'll be able to support them, from hundreds to thousands to tens of thousands. The second thing to know about Jira Software Data Center is that it will give your teams uninterrupted access to Jira through active-active clustering, giving your organization the stability it needs to keep moving forward faster. With 0 downtime upgrades, you can deploy the latest version of Jira when and where you want, without taking your teams offline. Data Center ensures the best, most stable performance and enables your teams to innovate at enterprise scale. Third and finally, Jira Software Data Center includes a toolbox of robust enterprise features that help administrators manage team growth, improve performance, and accelerate the experience for distributed teams. Tools like project and issue archiving, the custom fields optimizer, and content delivery network support free up precious admin time and resources, allowing them to maintain a healthy Jira instance while focusing on implementing best practices for the next wave of users. Growth is a journey, and your organization's success depends on how you prepare for it. Learn how Jira Software Data Center can support your organization's agile journey, and try it for free today.